for grade 6 English, we have contestant number 11.
To all elementary and high school principals, teachers, National High School, the school that cares. First of all, allow me to thank to our Ganon
District Supervisor, Ms. Arlene S. De Paz, as she delivers her message. Once again, Ms. Arlene S. De Paz, Public Schools District Supervisor of Mayorga District.
Thank you, beautiful MC. My morning greetings to
Waray, also known as Waray-Waray, is an Austronesian language and the fifth most spoken native regional language of Eastern Visayas. The word Waray means none or nothing or not. Once again, the selected grade 6 pupils of San Roque Elementary School.
5A, school principals, head teachers, department heads, master teachers, reading coordinator. Then 30% para sa paggamit ng tinig, tamang tono, tatas at ekspresyon sa pagsasalaysay. Then another 20% para sa pagganap sa entablado for a total of 100%. For the grade 6 tahirawan, 50% kaalaman at pag-unawa sa kwento, paggamit ng tinig, tamang tono, tatas at ekspresyon sa pagsasalaysay, 30%.
Smell tayo. Mag-upay o kuan.
And the winners, third placer is... Okay, and the winner for this year's Manila Award for Grade 6 Filipino is Fantastic.
Aiza Ganar as overall top player.
1, 2, 3, smile. Smile.
And the winner for grade 6 English, we have contestant number 11. From the Mayorga District.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play.
And the winners,
Thank you so much to our teachers, to our coaches for the support, the parents, to the pupils of Mabini Elementary School. Sure. Oo, may catch ka tinisunod. Okay, okay na? Okay.
Baka dyan kay may mga tao. Kay holiday bayaron. Di man, oo. It was a great privilege na nakaabot kami ng division level at so ang naka-disadvantage lang sa amin kasi yung kami ay bibiyahe kami during the contest day. But the other district, the other areas ay pumunta sila sa venue day before the contest. So advantage sa kanila kasi nakapag-relax yung contestant, yung bata nakafocus kung ano yung gagawin niya at saka nakapag-relax sila. So kami naman, yung bata ko is naawa ko sa kanya kasi wala na siyang ganang kumain, napagod pa sa biyahe, hindi pa kan nakapag-relax. So yun po ang disadvantage sa amin. Prayers po namin noon nga time na yun ay kahit isa lang sa amin ay makapasok para sa regional level. Kaso hindi kami pinalad, pero at least happy pa rin kami at nakaabot kami sa division level. Pero sana manalo kami. We're still hoping and praying, but still hindi kami nakapasok. Pero it's okay lang. Ganyan talaga ang contest. May mananalo at may matatalo.
Hello, mic test. Esteemed Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Mariza S. Magan, our Division Education Program Supervisors in Kindergarten and Filipino, Dr. Olivia Manases and Dr. Mauricio M. Catan, our Division Technical Working Groups, our very own Merida District Supervisor, Mrs. Melcani A. Morial, district heads from the different areas in the Division of Leyte, school heads, teachers, pupils and students, parents, visitors. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second day of the 2025 Division Festival of Talent, Readathon in English and Filipino. It's another exciting day filled with learning, creativity, and engagement. To start our day on the right note, may we request everyone to stand as we say a prayer and sing our nationalistic song. Please rise.
Mamilcani, nasa ni Mamilcani? Mamilcani Memorial, of course, ang mga behind the bars, balitaw. Hi na nato ni Ma'am Jo Rosal, very good. The English coordinator, ni Ma'am Merly. Hi na Ma'am Rado pa. Ikon nato ni Ma'am, hi na ni Ma'am. So for today, we will be having our readathon for English. Yesterday we had Filipino. So we have only 3 events to be competed. First is the story retelling. This is for grade 3. 30 minutes included na po ang preparation. Then the next is the story resolution challenge, which has 25 minutes including na gihapon ang preparation. Then the third event is the 5-minute pitcha-kotcha. Sasabihin nyo, ma'am, 5 minutes, but the time allotted for this is 96 minutes. The title of the activity or the event is 5-minute pitcha-kotcha, but the time to be consumed is 96 minutes. Dear participants, coaches, and everyone, our objective for this is to choose, to select the best among the best. Balitaw, you will be representing the SBO Leyte for the Regional Festival of Talent. So, we will be hoping nga ang aton magiging winner for today, who will be representing the Regional Festival of Talents for Leyte na ang aton good mga the best. Actually, you are all winners, di ba? Sulat na kayo mga learners, di ba? Smile anay. Di yan mga learners, kaway-kaway. Mga mabusay ko dyan na. Very good. So congratulations in advance. Di ba? Walang kabag. Mga cute. Sige mga cute yan na. Kanina pagkita ko nga, mga cute, masabi nila, ma'am, kay grade 3 pagod na nakbaon lagi. Grade 3 talaga, parang mga angels pa. Sige mga be, ha? Do your best para makapunta tayo from the regional, makatukita, ha? Ilocos. Gusto niyo mapunta doon? Wow, sige. Sama-sama tayo pupunta dyan o doon. Basta, do your best today para in the regional level, you will also do to the best that you can that on the scheduled date for Ilocos, sasama tayo dyan. Kaya?
Kaya.
Hoy, kaya? Late champions? Sige. Congratulations. Actually, we have there our TW that will guide you. So, take note of our objective to choose, to collect the best representative to the RFOT. Once again, good morning para makastart kita.
Okay, to everyone, the moment we've all been waiting for is here. The 2025 Division Readathon in English competition. Now, please proceed to your respective rooms and may the best ideas and effort shine. We wish each and every one of you the best of luck. You've got this, have fun, and God bless. Thank you. Okay, reading of
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Before we announce the winners, let us take a moment to recognize and applaud everyone who participated in this event. Your hard work, creativity, and perseverance have made this event truly remarkable. To give the awards, we invite Dr. Olivia Manases and Dr. Marisha Catan to join us on stage for the giving of awards. A big round of applause. And Mrs. Melkani A. Maurial. First, we have the contest judges. The citation, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 8, Schools Division of Leyte, awards this certificate of recognition to Maria Ivy B. Avellino for her outstanding and exemplary service and contribution as contest judge during the 2025 Division Festival of Talents Readathon English with the theme Soaring Futures, Honing Talents, Celebrating Skills, held on January 28, 29, 2025 in Merida, Leyte. Given this 29th day of January 2025 at Merida Central School, Merida, Leyte. Signed, Dr. Mariza S. Magan, Schools Division Superintendent. And a token from the Merida District is given to Ma'am Ivy. Another
certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Island B. Relivo. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Heidi C. Kayako. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Hani Aljan G. Lipurada. Awards this certificate of recognition to Ma'am Riza L. Mamita. Dr. Melkani A. Malial, District in Charge, for her unwavering support and commitment to the conduct of the 2025 Division Festival of Talents Readathon with the theme Soaring Features, Honing Talents, Celebrating Skills, held on January 28 to 29, 2025 in Merida, Leyte. Her steadfast dedication and involvement have significantly contributed to ensuring the comfort and well-being of the guests and participants. She played Division Superintendent. Another certificate of appreciation to Merida Central School. Another certificate. To announce the awards, we may request Dr. Mauricio Catan. Hey, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations to the participants, to the learners and the coaches. So you're all champions, diba? So you are the cream of the crop of your respective school, district, and area. Okay? So maligayang bati sa lahat ng ating mga kalahok. Okay? Going to start the awarding from grade 3, story retelling. We request Ma'am Milfi, Ma'am Milfi is around kanina. Okay. Ma'am Milkani, Ma'am Joy, Ma'am Arlene, to join us on stage to give the Ma'am Merly, rather, to give the award. Okay, let's start. Third place for story retelling, grade 3. Third place from area 3 from San Isidro Central School, San Isidro 1, Coach Ma'am Rachel B.M. Dagandan. The learner is Razia May A. Kanya. Rachel is also our regional wing coach of last year Festival of Talents. Okay. Ma'am Rachel. Second place goes to area 2A from Balucanad Elementary School, Kapuukan 1 District, Mary Andre D. Yomo. Coach, Rizalina H. De La Cruz. Congratulations. And the first place and our representative to the Regional Festival of Talents in Borongan City is from Area 2B, from La Paz Central School, La Paz 1 District, Mariel Lorraine C. Bueno. Coach, Arlen C. Lorraine. Then punta tayo sa Story Resolution Challenge, Grade 6. So ito yung mga nagbibigay ng konklusyon. Okay? Sa mga narinig nilang storya, bibigyan nila ng konklusyon. So may pagkamarites sila nagbibigay sila ng konklusyon. Okay? So third place goes to Area 5B. From Hilongos South District, Lunang Elementary School, Jaycon Rocios A. Roa. Coach, Sir Rolando L. Jundis. Second place, nagmula sa Area 1 from Palo 1 District, Palo Central School, Lance Reniel A. Arma. Coach, Mirna M. Borgeta. So, yung position ng second place ay critical in the event. Joke lang. So we have the second place from Palo Central School. Congratulations. First place from Area and representative to the Regional Festival of Talents for Story Resolution Challenge Grade 6 from Area 2B from Julita District, Dita Elementary School, Stevie Lavain T. Cribillo. Coach, Ma'am Noemi T. Cribillo. Congratulations to our winners for Story Resolution Challenge.